Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share project number 2 that I am taking to the scrapbook convention. I explained a little bit about it in a previous video and I will leave the link there, but this is the second project that I am taking to share with my crafty friends, and I have put together the kit so they can assemble it. Let's see. So we have a sentiment, thank you, that they can trim down to fit here. I've added some foam tape because I've raised stitch off of the paper. This black piece is for the eyes and the toes. Of course, an A2 size envelope, an A2 size card base, and then I've trimmed him out in the different colors that he is pieced together with, so they'll have to piece him together like this. So this, you'll just use the ears, this is majority of his body, and these are just the outline and his chest. And then I also cut out the net from a die cut that I have, and then we will be ink blending the back of these like it is here. And then this is the piece for inside the A2 size card, since it's a dark color, so you can write your sentiment or stamp a sentiment. But that is project number 2 that I am taking to the scrapbook convention that's going to be here in Mesa, Arizona. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!